Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install LLVM Compiler version 13 on Debian 11 Bulls Eye operating system. So first I go to the Bulls Eye repository. So under that development, search for Clang packages. What are the versions of Clang packages are available? So you can see multiple versions are available. So Clang points to Clang 11. So Clang 13 is higher version. So Clang 13 is higher version. We are going to install uh, Clang 13. That is LLVM 13 compiler only are going to install. So already I have installed LLVM 11. That is a default version. So default version I have already installed. So parallelly I am going to install LLVM 13. So this is the command to install the LLVM 13 compiler. So additional and new packages will be downloaded and installed. If you are okay with the installation, press yes. Okay. So make sure that you have a speed internet connection. So that all the LLVM compiler packages downloaded and installed. So installation in progress. Okay, LLVM 13 compiler installation is successful. Okay, Clang tab. You can see that mixture of LLVM 11 and LLVM 13 commands are there. So commands ending with -13 are belongs to LLVM 13 compiler commands. So this is the way we need to check the version. Clang ++-13 points to LLVM 13. Clang -13 version also points to LLVM 13. Okay, now I am going to show you how to compile and run C and C++ programs. So I am clearing the previous output results. Now I am going to show you what are the C and C++ program available. So this is my C program. So this will simply print the welcome message, and this is my C++ program. This is also will simply print the welcome message. That is a simple program. Okay. So first I am going to show you how to compile the C program using LLVM 13 compiler. So this is the command clang-13 welcome.c-o welcome. Yes, compilation is successful. Let me run that. Yes, I can able to run the C program. Next, I am going to compile the C++ program. This is the command clang++-13. Yes, I can able to run the C++ program also. Okay, next I am going to show you one important thing. I am going to compile the C program with -h option. So this -h option will display all the header files used by this program. See, the lot of header files are loaded in the memory stack. So these are all the header files used by the single C program. Let me show you for C++, clang++-13-h. See, for C++, lot of header files are loaded for a single C++ file. Lot of header files are loaded in the memory stack. So this command will be useful for the beginners, those who are in search of header files. So where the header files are located, etc., etc. So now I am going to show you the location of header files. So basically header files are located under usr/include directory. So these are the header files used by C programs, and there are separate folders for LLVM. Okay. See here for LLVM 13, separate folder is created, and this is the C++ header files. So you can install multiple version of LLVM in parallel. So separate folders and commands will be created for each version. Okay. So LLVM 13, Clang LLVM 13 compiler installation on Debian 11 Bulls Eye is successful.